The journey began on a hot evening in Delhi. As the train chugged out of the station, raindrops splattered against the window, bringing a sense of calm and relief from the summer heat. The rhythmic clatter of the train wheels and the soothing sound of rain provided a moment of introspection, allowing me to gather my thoughts and ease the pressure of creating a perfect travel video.
You never ask why.
Arriving in Jammu, I reunited with my car. At 7 a.m., we set off towards Kashmir. The excitement of the road ahead was palpable, despite the 8-hour journey that awaited us.
Carry all that pain. It's a sad life. If the hurt is all in vain, but you'll get through the darkest nights when you learn to find your shining lights, little sad eyes. Don't you see?
As we navigated through the scenic landscapes, offered us a breathtaking view of the lush green valleys. Finally reached Baramulla around 3 p.m. Exhausted from the drive, we took a brief rest at my friend's house, where we were planning to stay for the rest of the trip. Eager to make most out of our time, we decided to visit a nearby water reservoir. Though unremarkable, it was a peaceful start to our Kashmir adventure. As the night fell, we went back to the beds, knowing the vast expanse of the Kashmir could not be explored in just 3 days.
When we wake,
Our second day began with a pilgrimage to Kheer Bhavani temple.
side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right.
The sacred ambience and the gentle rustle of the chinar trees set a serene tone for the day.
You and I, we got it. We don't need no more.
In afternoon, we visited Manasbal Lake, known for its clear, deep waters.
Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know.
Next was the ascent to Shankaracharya temple, which offered a stunning panoramic view of the Srinagar and Dal Lake.
Was crazy, but things are finally right.
The serene beauty with houseboats was mesmerizing. The tranquility and the natural beauty provided the perfect backdrop for photography.
You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can wait.
As the sun set, casting golden hues over the lake, we felt a profound sense of peace. While returning to Baramulla, we mapped out our plans for the final day. The anticipation of Doodpathri was palpable as we drifted off to sleep. Day 3, capturing Doodpathri. Clear skies and cool breeze greeted us on the third day as we made our way to Doodpathri. The Valley of Milk was a photographer's dream. The lush green meadows and towering pine trees created an idyllic setting for capturing the essence of Kashmir's natural beauty. We spent the day exploring, taking photos and immersing ourselves in breathtaking landscapes that Doodpathri has to offer. The weather was perfect and every moment felt cinematic. With the hopes of beating the traffic, we left early for Jammu on the final day. Just before reaching Banihal Tunnel, we were stopped due to Amarnath Yatra. What we thought would be a short delay turned out to be an 6-hour wait. Finally, road was cleared and we resumed our journey, tired but determined. The last stretch of the trip was a blur of exhaustion and relief. By the time we reached Jammu, night had fallen. We were weary from the road and the long hours of waiting, but our hearts were full of memories. Despite the challenges, our journey to Kashmir had been a cinematic adventure filled with stunning landscapes and sacred sites, an unforgettable experience. There were two things that I learned from this short trip. One, it's impossible to capture every essence of Kashmir in a short trip. And the second was much deeper, seeing the place where our parents grew and spent their childhood. Coming from the Kashmiri Pandit background, I was able to understand the value of this place for them and finally understood the longing every Kashmiri Pandit feels. Truly, a stunning place with a heartbreaking backstory.